Okay,
The
start.
Portuguese have
Yes.
now the Portuguese established a fort in Calicut
Ma'am, I
for
was
trade in
ready.
1600 CE. They fortified it and
What is the
appointed a
meaning of 45? Wait,
commander in chief.
wait. What is the meaning of 45? Means they have built a trade. Sorry, wall. Got it?
Yes,
Next.
and appointed a commander in chief, namely Abu Qurayq.
Albu Curacue. Albu Curacue. What's
Abu
the meaning of Albu?
Qurayq.
Yes, it is the commander of chief. With the perm, he was appointed as a commander in chief and made a fort. Fort means wall. Okay, how did Portuguese came to India? With the permission of King Ramo Rian. Yes, next.
To save the fort, moving northwards, Abu Qurayq conquered Goa in 1506 CE. Within a span of 100 years, the Portuguese took control of Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and island of Lanka.
Okay, so where they have taken control means they have taken a power Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and island of Lanka. I have shown you on a board. Yes, they have opened trade center in 1500 CE in Calicut. After that, they have conquered, means they have captured 1500 CE, that is 15 North CE, Goa, and after that, after a span of 100 years, they control Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and island of Lanka. Good. Next, end of Portuguese rule.
End of Portuguese rule. In the beginning of the 17th century, the Portuguese expanded their trade to Bengal. At this time, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled in India from Delhi.
Wait.
The
So
weather of
wait. So how they left India? Okay, how? End of Portuguese rule came. With the time of beginning of 17th century, they have spent a time for 100 years. Yes, as they have spent time for 100 years, at that time Dutch people came, Denmark people came, and after that Britishers came, and after that who came? French people came. At that time, Britishers had, Britishers had spread their rule over India, okay, where Portuguese were
yes,
expanding their rule. So, at that time, what happens? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who was ruling from Delhi, has complained. Subedar has complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of Portuguese. So, what happened? With the order of Emperor, Portuguese rule has to come to end. So, they have to left territories of Diu, Daman, and Goa. Got it?
yes.
Okay. Start.
The Subedar of Bengal complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. Thus, the fort of Hussein was demolished and the ships were burned as per the order of the emperor. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to an end with the
With the
exception
exception,
of the territories of Diu, Daman and Goa.
what at that time now Portuguese came to India. After that, in 16th century only, the Dutch people also came to India. They were seeing that Portuguese people are succeeding in trading. So we also have to move to India for trade. Yes, start.
The Dutch. After 100 years of the arrival of the Portuguese at the end of the 16th century, the Dutch of Holland came to India for trading. Initially, they established posts at Calicut and Madras, now Chennai. They also established their trading center in Agra in the year
So wait,
1660. Meanwhile,
where they
the
established
British
post?
also
Wait,
arrived in
beta.
India. The Dutch could
Wait,
not
beta, wait.
withstand the what competition against the British.
Okay, so what I am telling? So now Dutch people came to India. They also established a fort. Fort means wall. In where they have established at Pulikat and Madras, that is in January. They also established a trading center at Agra. Where is Agra situated? Near Delhi. In which year? 1663
Delhi.
AD. At that time, who came to India? Britishers also came to India. So with that, the competition also increased. Next, that is British.
British interest in India. During the reign of Queen
Okay,
Elizabeth
wait,
of
wait,
England in the year
wait.
1603,
Mm, who wants to read again?
now I
Who
was
wants?
reading.
Yes, Sahil, you are reading. Who wants to read? And Mohammed Qasim, Sanraj, Sufyan.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be reading the time.
What?
You will be reading.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. British interest in India.
British interest in India. During the reign of Queen Elizabeth of England in the
Rain
year
means? Rain
1600
means?
CE,
Yes, beta, wait. What is the meaning of rain? It means rule. Wait a second. If you want to note down, you can note that if your text somewhere, if you are having book. Rain means rule. Got it? Yes, you can. Next.
the British established the East India Company. This company belonged to merchants who wanted to increase their wealth by undertaking trade with India. The first
Wait.
British ship arrived in India.
Wait. So, with whose permission they came to India? They came to the with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. In which year? That is in 1600 CE, and they wanted to start their trading center in India. So the first ship came. The first ship came in Surat in the year 1608. 1608, and the captain was first British captain was William Hawkins. Next.
The Captain W. Hawkins, the captain of the ship, was the British to set foot in India. He met Jahangir but did not get his permission to trade. Thereafter, Sir Thomas Roe arrived in India to acquire the permission to establish a trading center in Surat. Later, Delhi went into the hands of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan gave permission to the British to carry upward in Bengal.
Yes. So, as they have after that, who came? Sir Thomas Roy came, and they have started making a trade center in India. And with the permission of Shah Jahan, the Britishers have carried out trade in Bengal also. Next, the French.
Ma'am, I read.
After the Britishers, at that time only, in 16th century only, in 1664, the French East India Company came, and French East India Company was trading with uh, Britishers and with Dutch people. Yes, you can read. Who asked me?
The French established the
Beta,
French
some
East.
was wait, beta. Who was asking for reading?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, beta, you can.
मैम कहाँ से read करूँ?
From the French.
The French वाला करूँ ना?
Hmm.
The French Egypt, Egyptian Queen
Beta, your
French
voice is
East.
not coming.
2 minutes, हाँ मैम.
here
अब
they, yes, you can.
by the French uses rule the French East India Company in India. British
Which year
people
they
stayed
were
there.
established? In 1664 CE. They established factories
CE.
in Surat, Machilipatnam and Pondicherry.
They had the French company. They used
Joseph Francois
French
duplex. Who was the
company.
head? French company's head was Joseph
So
Francois duplex. Next. Okay, start. Thus, the French and British stood in the competition against each other to become the strongest European country. They want to show that when French people were telling, I want to become a strongest European. Over here, British people are telling that I want to become the strongest European. There were innumerable disputes and battles, and finally the British emerged as the winners. These battles meant at that time Battle of Plessis of God, Battle of Buxar Occurred. So, what happens now? French have left over India, okay? And British became a superpower in India. Got it? There were innumerable
Yes,
disputes and
ma'am.
battles, and finally the British emerged as the winners. However, the French
all the
retained the
men
control over the
of
trading
human
centers
heart
of Pondicherry, Mahi, and Chandranagar. So, they have control over which centers, that is Puducherry. Puducherry, it means Pondicherry, Mahi, and Chandranagar. Next is British trade
Ma'am, I
in
read
India,
also.
Bengal. I want to explain it. So what happens when Britishers are coming to India? At that time, Portuguese people are not allowing them to open the trade. So with the permission of Mughal Emperor Jahanagir, they have opened a trade center in 1608 in Surat in Kochi. Okay. Now what happens? Now they have started trade center in Bengal. Okay. In which year? That is in 1651 century. At that time, they got the permission to open the factory from him, that is Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. That they don't have to pay the taxes, no annual payment they have to pay. So is this way, uh, British people were earning too much money, too much of money. If you are not paying tax and all, then you will be earning too much money. Okay, so as a result, what happens? Our Nawab of Bengal, Mushid Quli Khan, has done a dispute at that time. After that, Ali Baldi Khan, his son Siraj Dwala took a charge at that time. After this, he became a Nawab, that is Siraj Dwala. And at that time, Battle of Plassey occurred. Got it? Start.
Ma'am, I read.
Yes, Sahil.
British trade in Bengal. The British first started the trade on the banks of the river Hagli and established forts in the year 1651 CE. The forts
Okay,
were
so
garrisoned.
where they have started trade on the banks of the river Hooghly, and where they have opened the port in the year 1651 century. Got it? Next.
Yes. The forts were garrisoned for the protection of the factory and got permission from the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb to trade with paying
Who has
taxes
given
to
them
the
Mughal permission, that is Mughal Emperor
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb, not to pay taxes and not to uh, against an annual payment. Yes.
Yes.
Annual payment means final payment. If your final payment is 2000, okay? So from that we are paying 5% tax, 2% tax to government, but they are not going to pay the taxes. Next.
Without paying taxes against an annual payment.
So what happens in 1797 India, where they have started British rule? See, blue parties of British rule. You can see in Hyderabad, Banaras, Kolkata, okay, Mysore, Madras, there. But again, in 1840, they have started in Delhi, Lucknow, Banaras, Kolkata, yes, Mumbai, Goa, Mysore, Madras, all these places they have started in 1857. Lahore, Lucknow, Banaras, Kathmandu, Kolkata, then Goa, Mumbai, Madras, etc. their rule was started. Got it? Next, the expansion. In which
Expansion
years
of the
is
British rule between
1757 and
1757
1857.
and 1857.
Start.
By this time, the East India Company was in a race to earn more and more money. As per the order passed in Bengal, only the company availed the
Away.
benefit of tax-free trade.
What happened?
Only the company availed the
Start. However, many officers, Sahil,
yes, ma'am.
however, many officers will
However, many officers who were engaged in private trade they did not pay the taxes as well. As a result, the income generated from the tax collection in Bengal
reduce.
reduces, which in turn was opposed by the Nawab of Bengal,
Murshid
Masur
Kuli, Murshid Kuli Khan.
Masur Qali Khan. This
So what this? Wait.
dispute
So what?
kept on
Wait.
recurring.
Wait. What means that at that time the private companies were also not paying the taxes. So who was lost? The Nawab was lost. So who opposed with Murshid Kuli Khan, the Nawab of Bengal at that time? So who is the Nawab? We tell it the ruler who is at that time kings were ruling. So rulers is the Nawab of Bengal. Next. Next.
Battle of Palse. Siraj
Not Battle of Plassey.
Sirajudullah
This
became Nawab
dispute
of
can.
Bengal.
For Sahil, for where you are going? This dispute.
This dispute kept on recurring even during the time of Ali Wardi Khan. After Ali Wardi Khan, his son Sirajudullah took charge. He got involved into a major battle with the British.
Okay, so I said after Shah Jahan came in 1756 in 17th century, who came now? Shirajudullah became the Nawab of Bengal. So what happens? These papers were not paying the taxes and at that time. So how the Battle of Plassey occurs, that I am explaining. At that time, Sirajudullah in the year 1756 he became a Nawab. Okay, what happens? What's happening? At that time, without the permission, uh, Britishers had made the wall in Bengal. Okay, so this situation Sirajudaulah did not like. So uh, Sirajudaulah has destroyed the wall. Okay, he has destroyed the wall. So this news where it reached? It reached to Madras. This you are not having a textbook for overview I am doing. Okay, Madras to whom Robert Clive. Robert Clive, so Robert Clive has sent of army team. So at that time the commander of chief was that they become Jaffe. They become one and started fighting Sirajudaulah. Why it is known as Battle of Plassey? Because it was fought in the field. Field means we tell it for Khetibadi. Yes, at field it was fought that is Plassey. Got it? At that time,
Yes,
Sirajudaulah was defeated and Commander-in-Chief Mirzafar became Nawab. Got it? And this way, the British power was, Britishers were controlling full of the Bengal. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Sirajudullah became Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756. He had an overwhelming influence over the British. The British helped the competitors of Sirajudullah by conspiring against him so that he would not remain on the throne of Bengal.
Throne of Bengal
There
means
were
what is the meaning of throne? Who will tell you?
And throne means and where
Meaning
the
of
king sits.
okay. The ruling power. Next. Next.
The British the British helped the competitors of Sirajudullah by conspiring against him so that he would not remain on the throne of Bengal. There were frequent conflicts with the British merchants regarding payment of taxes when the British merchants failed to pay taxes, which were
Applicable.
applicable to both Indian and foreign merchants. The situation came to boil.
What is the
He
meaning of
ordered
came
that
to
the
boil? Means a fire was
ma'am situation
increased
was
between.
bigger gay.
Yes, the fire became started between India and sorry, the people of Bengal and Britishers. Next.
He ordered that the British should not fortify the factory, pay the taxes as per the rules and trade as per the terms and conditions. The provocation was enough for Siraj to
Up for war.
opt for war, and he succeeded in expelling the British from Calcutta.
Okay. So in this way, the trade power was increased in Kolkata. Now, how the attack happened? That I have to, under the leadership of Robert Clive, Mir Jafar was commander and chief of Sirajuddaula. They became war and defeated. To whom it was he was defeated? To Sirajuddaula was
Britishers.
defeated. In which place he fell? That's why it is specific is in Murshidabad, which is far away 38 kilometers from Bengal. Got it? Start.
Yes. The British counterattacked under the leadership of Robert Clive. Clive bribed
Bribed.
Mir, bribed
Bribed.
Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of Sirajuddaula, with a promise to confer the throne of Bengal to him and convinced him to join their side. With his help, Robert Clive defeated and murdered Sirajuddaula in the Battle of Palse. This was the first war. Thus, this war is considered to be a turning point in the history of India.
Got it? So this way Battle of Plassey was occurred. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now today we will do till this month only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am going to ask you some questions.
Okay, ma'am.